You guys, I have a ULA wig to review. You guys know that whenever it comes to wigs, ULA hair, you know, they are just that brand. Now they sent me their 3-in-1 Burmese coily half wig, and I am so pumped up to, you know, to be reviewing this hair today, to be styling this hair today. I know by the end of this video you guys are gonna get this wig because it is just everything. So let's do a little bit of unboxing. You guys know how we do it here on the channel. So I am going to open up this cute packaging, and you guys, this is the wig. This is the 3-in-1 Burmese coily half wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today. We're going to get to this later. Let me show you guys the other things that came with the wig as usual. So this wig comes with this very cute bow. Guys, look at this bow. Look at this bow. This is so cute. This wig also comes with ULAHAIR headband. So cute. It also comes with a wig cap as usual, and it comes with cards. You know, it comes with this card right here, and this just has, like, you know, information about ULA wigs and all of that stuff. So yeah, that is all. Okay, there's one last thing I forgot to mention. It also comes with this cute headband. Ooh, you guys, this is honestly so cute. How cute is this? How cute is this headband? I'm trying to fix it well. Okay, you guys, how cute is this headband? This is honestly so cute. I love it so much. Now let's just go straight into this wig, because this is going to be a half wig, and that is why my hair is, you know, my natural hair is in a bun. So let's just go straight into this wig, because honestly, when I saw the curls, you guys, can you see the curls on this wig? This is Burmese curls. It's like a new kind of hair that has been, you know, saturating the hair market right now. And honestly, this is so cute. Guys, can you see the curls on this wig? Let me take out this net thingy so that you guys can see how it looks like. Oh my god, you guys, can you see the curls on this wig? Can you see the curls? This is Burmese curls. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but it is BURMESE. Oh, the curls is so gorgeous, you guys. Can you see? So if it is a half wig, you know, you can style it with, like, you know, half up, half down, ponytail look. You can do like a headband look. There are so many styles to do with a half wig, and this is how the inner construction of the wig is looking like. You guys can see the you guys can see how it looks like. It has combs inside of it to help to secure your wig. So this is one comb, this is another comb by the side, another comb by the side, and okay, and it also has a drawstring, because you can actually use this as a ponytail. Honestly, this is so cute, guys. This is so cute. I'm gonna try to do like a headband look with this wig, because like I said, this is a 3-in-1 half wig. You can do different styles with it. So the first style I'm going to do right now is to use, you know, my headband with this wig. This is going to be, you know, a very easy video. You're not going to stress yourself. Once you get this half wig, you don't need to stress yourself, because the wig is just very easy to install. It's not like your frontal and all of that stuff. Ooh, you guys, look at this wig. Guys, can you see the juicy curls on this wig? Oh my god. Guys, can you see the juicy curls on this wig? This is honestly so cute, and you guys can see the front part of the wig. Yeah, guys, can you see? Can you see? So right now I'm going to use my headband to cover up this this part of the wig around the perimeter of my head. guys, so this is how the first look looks like. What do you guys think? I honestly think this is so beautiful. You are a girly that loves, you don't like stress of laying down a frontal, or you don't like the stress of closure wigs. This is the wig for you. You guys, just with a headband and you are good to go. I'm gonna leave this headband up. You guys can see this is the wig, but then honestly, this is so cute. This is just so cute. And you guys, this hair is so soft. This hair is so soft and it is so full, but then again it is lightweight. Next style I'm gonna try to do is to bring out my hairs and then comb it into the wig. Alright guys, so what do you think about the second style? I honestly think that the second style is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous, it is so beautiful. You can let your your natural hair out just like I did, and try and style the wig to your taste. And yeah, this is what we have. Honestly, I love this style a lot. It is so cute. My coiling one is a little bit big, but if you have the tinier coiling one, then you can coil up your natural hair so that it blends very well with the wig. But yeah, I think this is okay. I think everything still looks good. You guys, this wig is just making me so happy. I love how it looks like. Honestly, you guys, this wig is so cute. So this is the second style. Let's go ahead to do the third and final style. You guys, this is another cute style with this wig. What do you guys think? I decided to use the band that came with the wig, and yeah, this is honestly so cute. I just pack up the hair at the back, and yeah, this is honestly so cute. You can go out like this, you can go to the gym, like everybody's just going to be asking you, where did you get your hair from? Is this your hair? And all of that stuff. Honestly, this is so cute. You guys, let me know in the comment section, among the 3 styles I showed you, the headband style, the leave out style, and this one, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. You guys, make sure you check my description box for the full details of the hair, and there will also be a link in my description box where you guys can go and purchase your own beautiful half wig. You guys need to buy this half wig, so check my description box for the coupon code. Yeah, I think there's also going to be a coupon code, I'm not so sure, but check my description box in case you guys see any coupon code. Use my coupon code to save some money and also buy this wig. ULAHAIR, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love this 3-in-1 half wig. You guys have mastered the art of half wigs. I remember I have like this kinky half wig from ULAHAIR, and I still have that hair till now, and the hair is just eating every single day. And thank you guys ULAHAIR for this beautiful wig, and thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys. Bye.